sleeping? I think the show started.
What do we do? I don't know what we should do. I think.
There's Colton in there. There's Colton in there. Say, I'll share. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Tell us who each one is.
This is Pocahontas. This is Sleeping Beauty.
This is what?
Sleeping Beauty.
I'm Pocahontas.
Yay!
This is Cinderella.
Yay!
This is Cinderella.
Yay!
This is Belle. This is Ariel.
Yay!
This is Desmond. This is Sleeping Beauty.
Yay! Didn't we already see her?
No?
She fell asleep again.
Hi, everybody.
Hi. Hi.
I'm Pocahontas, but no one seems to be awake right now.
No one seems to be awake.
Well, Pocahontas, wake
Wake
them up.
them up.
I didn't wake
Say, get up, wake up.
And who's that again?
Tiana.
Oh, yay. She's beautiful.
Thank you.
Who's that? Yay, that's why she's white.
Okay, now.
You ain't.
Hi,
Wait, right?
everybody.
You ain't right.
I want to tell you a story.
Okay.
The story goes, some princesses together. Once upon a time, when a little girl named Ariel, she wasn't born. She was just a little baby. And her mom told her mama's name Tiana.
I don't think so. You doing that?
Hi, I'm Tiana. I'm going to tell you a story about my own story. It goes, Ariel the little princess and Tiana the little mermaid. I have two stories to tell you. Once upon a time, when Ariel the little baby and her mom was named Tiana. And I never seen a little girl named Ariel. But you can know that. Would you like to meet Ariel?
Yes.
Please.
Okay, Ariel's gonna come out pretty soon, but I think she's napping. I don't know if she's napping, but I think I should.
Can you wake her up?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna do waiter, and you can come over and wake her up and say, "Wake up, Ariel!" And then she'll wake up, and then you can tell her.
Should we send your brother over to wake her up?
No.
No. Silly Opa.
Oh, I got something to hold the curtains up.
What's that?
Well, you see.
Sounds like she's like up in the rafters somewhere.